Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to print an eOffice file step by step. First, you'll need to locate the specific eOffice document you wish to print. This could be on your computer's desktop, in a Documents folder, or on a shared network drive. Once you've found it, simply double-click the file to open it in its corresponding application, like Microsoft Word or Adobe Reader. Make sure the document loads completely before moving on to the next step. Now that your eOffice file is open, it's time to access the print options. Look for the File menu, usually located in the upper left-hand corner of your application window. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the print option. For a quicker method, you can also use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+P on a Windows computer or Command+P if you're using a Mac. With the print dialog box open, you can now customize your print job. First, select your preferred printer from the list of available devices. Then, indicate how many copies you need. For example, you might need 3 copies. You can also adjust settings like the page range, paper orientation, and paper size. Finally, choose whether you want your document printed in vibrant color or classic black and white. You're almost there. Before hitting print, take a moment to review all your selected settings. Double-check the printer, the number of copies, and any other preferences to ensure everything is exactly as you intend. Once you're confident, simply click the print button. Your eOffice file will then be sent to the printer, and you can collect your freshly printed document from the output tray. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.